Fahrul and Ilham.
Hello.
Let's start introducing ourselves. Fahrul, you go first.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fahrul Pratama and I'm 19 years old and I'm from in Garut. How about you, Ilham?
Sure, Fahrul. My name is Ilham Nurdiansah. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Garut. And Sylvia, why you don't you introduce yourself?
Thanks, Ilham. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvia Nurakim. I'm 20 years old and I'm live in Garut. Fahrul, how would you describe Ilham?
I think Ilham is creative and cheerful. He always seems to bring energy to the conversation.
Thank Fahrul. I describe Sylvia as thoughtful and hardworking. She has a way with words.
Oh, thank you, Ilham. Fahrul, I say you're adventurous and curious. You always have interesting stories to share from your travel.
Okay, I appreciate that, Sylvia. Speaking of stories, let's dive into your daily routines. Sylvia, what's a typical day like for you?
Okay, Fahrul, I usually wake up at 5 a.m., but sometimes I can wake up earlier if I have to do colleague assessment. The first thing I do is perform ablution for the dawn prayer. I don't have a special morning ritual. Every morning I usually have breakfast with fried rice, bread, and more than often fried foods. How about you, Ilham?
Yes, I usually wake up at 5 a.m. I usually go to shower. My morning ritual usually drink coffee. I usually don't have breakfast and go straight to campus. I have classes every day, something on or two. My favorite subject this semester is English. I sometimes read notebook. How about you, Fahrul?
Okay, I usually wake up at 5 a.m. and the first thing I did was to collect myself for a moment and then go to the bedroom to wash my face. Before going to campus, I always have breakfast first with an omelette. I have a class scheduled every day and sometimes in one day there can be one or two courses.
Talking about things we like, what kind of music genre do you like and don't like, guys?
Okay, if me, I like jazz music. For example, Die with a Smile by Bruno Mars, and I don't like DJ music because I think DJ music is noisy. How about you, Ilham?
Uh, I like genre music rock. For example, "Is a Little of Heaven" by Avenged Sevenfold.
Wow.
How about you, Sylvia?
Okay, my favorite genre music is the pop and R&B because I think this genre produce soft songs and calm. My favorite song is Japanese Denim by Daniel Caesar, and I don't like genre music is rock because rock music genre I think the song is so loud so I can hear what is being sung melodies.
Well, I like it to know. Let's talk about your families. What about you, Ilham?
Sure. I have two younger brother. We grow we grow up playing sport together, and we're still very close. How about you, Sylvia?
I am the youngest child. I have two older brother and but are married. Now I live three at home with father and mother. How about you, Pahrul?
Me too. I'm the younger child, and I have two sisters. They are get married, and I now live with my mother and my father. Now let's end with a fun topic: food and beverage. Ilham.
Wow, interesting question. I prefer meatballs. The delicious sauce plus the spicy chili sauce make you can't stop eating. How about you, Sylvia?
As for me, I really like fried rice, especially if it's spicy and extra crackers. Do you know the fried rice at the stall near Angel House? This is real winner.
Oh, there's never anything wrong with fried rice.
Yeah.
Really, that's so cool. Honestly, I can't live without pizza. There are lots of toppings to choose from, and I really like to the ones that use lots of cheese.
Agree, pizza is really flexible. What's your favorite drink?
I really like coffee. It's been my savior when I need energy. How about you, Fahul?
With me, I prefer cold sweet tea. Simple, but suitable with any food. How about you, Sophia?
I'm team chocolate ice. It feels like it makes your day instantly happy. It was really fun talking about your favorite food, wasn't it? By the way, when it comes to goals or dream job, what do you have in mind? Ilham, you go first.
Okay, in the future, I want to be a doctor because
Oh, doctor.
I want to be able to help many people. How about you, Fahrul?
In my future career, I want to be a manager because manager is job that I
Manager.
thinking about good career.
I see, I see.
What about you, Sophia?
I think same with Pahrul. My dream job is to be a resource manager. I want to ensure that resources such as time, talent, and material are used efficiently to meet all organizational goals. This role aligns with my interest in problem solving, strategy, and maximizing productivity. Okay, I think that's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for joining us on this podcast. It's always fun chatting with you too. And thank you for everyone to listening. Well, catch you next time.
Yeah, thanks for tuning in, everyone.
See you next time. Take care.
Bye.